Okay, folks, in order to stay connected, to make it look like you are their real estate universe, basically, like you are. Look, while you're prospecting, all right, make sure everybody you're adding into your CRM, you take an extra minute, and make sure that you're connected with them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. Whatever you use, make sure you're connected with everybody. And if you haven't done that with your current CRM, it's worth it. Because look, you want to be talking to them. If you're mailing, they're getting mail from you. If you're emailing, or both, right? You also, and then you're going to be talking to them on the phone as well. And then they go on social media, and it's like you're everywhere. So you're busy, and when it comes to social media, make sure you take these two words seriously. Content. Give them good stuff, right? And document. Show them what you're doing. All right, and you mix those up. Also your personal life, your hobbies, your vacations, all that kind of stuff. Two, because they won't use you if they only see business. They have to get to know you. You have the opportunity to have a whole bunch of people get to know you, and when they know you and become comfortable with you, some people will unfriend you and unfollow you. Who cares? Keep adding, and eventually you have a good group stick. They like the way you talk. They like what you have to say. That's why you don't have to be anybody else other than yourself. Just be yourself. Some people are going to be attached to that. Some people are going to be repelled by that. Who cares? As long as you keep adding, and that's the whole goal. And then guess what? They hear a friend, whatever, and then they get into contact with you or themselves, to do business. So stay connected by making sure you have all those areas covered.